The cameras are set up on Prospect Point, while workmen make a vain attempt to avert the catastrophe. But these puny efforts are useless in face of the irresistible surge of such a cataract. Risking life and limb, and cameras too, Movietone was rewarded by these breathtaking pictures as the rock face shuddered and gave way. These newsreel pictures are some of the finest ever taken of such a spectacle, revealing the terrifying power of Niagara as 185,000 tons of rock go reeling into the abyss.